with Mandy, problem-solving enthusiast and psychologist.
Thanks so much for having me. I'm so excited to discuss the problem-solving process, interpreting problems, implementing strategies and evaluating progress, and obstacles to solving problems.
This sounds very interesting.
Indeed, it is. First, I would like to discuss the steps of problem solving. The first step in solving a problem is called problem representation, which means interpreting or defining the problem. And it's often tempting to leap and try to solve a problem just as it is presented, but this impulse often leads to poor solutions.
How intriguing.
I know. Once you have properly interpreted a problem, the next steps are to select a solution strategy and evaluate progress toward your goal. There's many different ways to solve a problem by using solution strategies, like trial and error to algorithms to heuristics.
Now we're going to head over to our newscaster, Miranda. She's in the field today, seeing examples of solution strategies in the raw. Miranda is over at Eastern High School interviewing people with certain problems that we'd like them to solve for us.
Alright, I am here at Eastern High School with Megan and Meredith Calvert and Joey Trevito, and we're going to see how they problem solve. So, you have 4 pieces of chain, each of which is made up of 3 links. All links are closed at the beginning of the problem. It costs 2 cents to open a link and 3 cents to close a link. How can you join all 12 links together into a single continuous circle without paying more than 15 cents? Tell us what you're thinking. What you're trying to say.
Well, obviously, maybe not obviously. I was only thinking of saying, like, you obviously have to open, like, 1 chain, so, like, to connect it, you wouldn't open 2 of the chains. But the only problem right now is that you have, like, what, 15 cents? So to open and close 1 link, it's 5 cents each completely, but you have 4 links.
Right. That's exactly what I was thinking.
And I was just thinking, like, maybe individually that's even worse.
Yeah.
Trying to figure it out by using trial and error.
Wow. Do you think that's the best way, or is there an algorithm perhaps? You're pretty smart, you're wearing glasses. Is there an algorithm?
I have yet to find it, but I'm sure there is.
Good work.
Yes, and now let's go to Megan. Been working very
Got any work?
Diligently.
Diligently, yes.
Yeah. But so far this is what I've come up with.
That looks like a whole lot of nothing.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work. You look like you're onto something.
I do. I think I'm gonna take out one of each rings of each, and then I'm gonna connect them together like this by using only 3 cents each. So then it can be like that. This is a ring that I'm gonna take out. This is a ring I'm gonna take out. And then that's the ring I'm gonna take out. I think that's it.
Okay, so verbalize that. It's a
Verbalize your findings, Joseph.
Yes.
I took a ring of each of these,
Right.
and then I separated them and I connected each together to make 15 cents, because you would open this one and then close it, and you would connect it to this one, and then open this one and close it and connect it to this one, and then open and close it and connect it to this one.
The answer to the problem is take one of the short pieces of chain and open all 3 links. This step costs 6 cents. Then use those 3 links to connect the remaining 3 pieces of chain. Hence, closing the 3 links costs 9 cents.
And 6 plus 9 is 15. Meredith, it does look like you had the same conclusion while we were filming Joseph.
Yes, on the back here, if you could see, well, I drew it all together, but I was thinking about opening 3 of these links, and then I was going to place them in in their designated spots, 1, 2, 3, to connect it.
So
Just a little later than Joe, but he verbalized it well.
So 2 of our lab rats got the answer. Megan, why didn't you?
Well, no comment.
Thank you to all of our participants. Now back to you, Kelly and Mandy in the studio.
Thank you, Miranda. Joe solved that problem with ease.
Correct. Although there are many factors that often help or hinder problem solving. One factor is a person's level of motivation or emotional arousal.
I've heard this before. One factor that can either help or hinder is mental set, right?
Right. Mental set is a tendency to perceive and to approach problems in certain ways. One mental set that can seriously hinder problem solving is called functional fixedness, which is the tendency to perceive only a limited number of uses for an object, thus interfering with the process of problem solving.
That is fascinating. Well, thank you very much for joining us today, Mandy.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thanks to Miranda in the field. And thank you for joining us today at 6-8. Stay classy, San Diego.